Ladies and gentlemen, as we proceed to give you what you need, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Cody, and today we are here for another sneaker unboxing video. Today, we will be unboxing the classic Air Max 90 in the infrared colorway. This right here is a certified classic. It's capping off the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 90, also known as the Air Max 3, and it is returning to its OG form. We have seen several amazing colorways of the Air Max 90 released this year as part of the 30-year commemoration, and the infrared, also known as the radiant red, is the crown jewel of that collection. I actually took an L on these on the sneakers app initially and thought about giving up, but luckily after I took that L, I jumped on Twitter and I saw that people were saying that it was an easy cop on online retailers like Foot Locker and stores like that. So I went on footlocker.com and I was able to pick them up very easily, so I was very fortunate for that, and I'm very glad I did not give up on these because I definitely wanted to add this shoe to my collection. So if we look at the finer details of the shoe, you see a classic blend of 4 colors. Starting off, you have a primarily white upper made up of a mesh material. It's present just below the sock liner and around the heel, back around the front with the tongue and the laces, on the top of the toe box, and finally on the very comfortable, very soft midsole. Then you have a mix of lighter and darker gray synthetic suede. It starts on the sock liner, pops with the darker Nike swoosh, and then trims the upper coming down and around the front of the shoe. We see little hits of black on the upper holes for the laces, the famous Nike Air logo on the heel. This logo alone has so much significance behind it. There's also a very prominent black leather strap that wraps around the back of the shoe and holds everything together. Finally, you turn the shoe up and you have a majority black outsole. Lastly, let's talk about the eye-catching, the classic, the OG infrared or radiant red coloring. I think the genius behind the design of the Air Max 90 is that no matter which way you turn it, you get little hits of that eye-catching infrared or whatever colorway you have of this shoe. If you look down on your feet with them on, you see the back of the tongue, the Nike logo on the front of the tongue, and the lower holes for the laces. If you're standing behind somebody and they have them on, you see the heel panel that holds the classic Nike Air logo. If you look at them sideways, we have the Air Max logo encircled with the black leather. Right below that, you have the infrared surrounding the Air unit window at the base of the midsole. It's even on the toe and slipping down the bottom of the shoe, so if you get super kicked by Shawn Michaels and he's wearing these, you can at least appreciate the detailed design of the footwear that is delivering you some sweet chin music. The Air Max 90 is one of those shoes you could wear every day and you would absolutely never get tired of it. They're comfortable, they're stylish, and they're just a fantastic shoe. I'm very happy to have been able to get my hands on these things, but let me know what you all think of these shoes in the comment section down below. Were you able to get a pair for yourself? Are these or another colorway that dropped this year your favorite iteration of the Air Max 90? Let me know all of this and more in the comment section. Be sure to follow me on social media for content updates, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. So with that, I'd like to thank you for coming out to this one and hope to see you for the next one.